Oh, hello guys. I like Emmanuel here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to, you know, get the color from any image. And one thing I realized is that many designers, when they see a particular image, they are so attracted to the color scheme that is used in that image. And so I'm going to be showing you how to get the color that are used in any image or anything that you want to use at all. So let's do this. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to import from the gallery. You click the plus sign, click on gallery, and I'm going to import what exactly the color that I want to use exactly. So for example, now in this very complex image, now I want to take maybe the yellow color or the pink or the slightly bright color there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create an image, create a shape, or you can use a text, whichever one you want to. But what we just need we need a container for the color that you're going to be using. So once you have done that, once you have created a shape, click the mark sign and then go to color, enable it, and then go to color, then click on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, go up here, you're going to see this eyedropper tool. All right, click on it and then click on the image that you want to take the color from. So if you notice, look up here, if you notice that as I move it is selecting all the colors I'm seeing. That's what the eyedropper tool does. It selects the colors in any pixel that it finds itself in. So let's say I want to pick this color. All right, then I pick that, and then if you want to see the color code, this is it right here. All right, this is right here, and you want to copy it. If you want to copy the color code, click on this pencil sign, and then you can click on this one and then copy it. All right, you can copy it. So click OK, and then you have it. So imagine I want to use the color in another stuff. I can just come here, click OK, then go to color, enable it, and then it's right here. Can you see that? I can now use it in my design. So that's how you can select the color from any image, from any text, from anywhere, as long as you can import it into Pixellab. You can be able to take the color that you want from that image. I really hope this helped you, and if it does, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to comment what else you want to learn about smartphone graphic design and Pixellab, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.